Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox something I've been waiting to receive and set it up. This is a air purifier dispenser. So let's open this and see what the product looks like. This is a product from Air. It has good reviews on Amazon. I got it on Amazon. The cost of this product is 599 rupees along with the dispenser and the refill inside. The fragrance is Violet Valley Bloom refill. It's a nice black color device dispenser. So the name is Aer Matic Lavender Bloom with Violet Valley Bloom refill. This is for okay, it is packed on May 2026. It is 599. The package so far looks impressive to me. Let's open this further and see what are the contents inside. Okay, we got this nicely covered dispenser. I am already starting to smell the fragrance. There's nothing inside here. So how do we do this? We have a placeholder for hanging it. There's a QR code if in case you have any issue with the device, and this is the place where you can set up how many times you want to let the fragrance out at a frequency of 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 40 minutes, and then you can switch it off as well. That's handy. How do we open this? Okay, that was easy. And we got cells, and the cell here is protected so that the battery does not get drained. So let us open that. We open that and put this back in, and let's close this. It's a very simple device, I see, not too complicated. There's this battery holder and a refill here. Refill says it can give out about 2200 sprays. I guess with the frequency that I would adjust it to for 10 minutes frequency, I guess about it might come for 6 months for me. I would not keep it on only for 4 hours every day. So let me close this. That locks it, and you can see when I on it, I can see the light switching. So let's wait for it to spray the first time. Oh, let me smell it. Kind of smells good, man. Kind of smells good. Looks good to me. The build might be not that strong, but yeah, I think the build is good. Quality is good. I'm gonna keep it, or you can also hang it over a wall, on a wall. So this was the unboxing of Air. It is about this, I guess about 15 to 20 centimeter, and you gotta wait for 10 minutes for it to spray it again. But I'm good. I'm happy with the product. Let's see after using it. I can review it back again and see whether the 2200 sprays actually do justify the count printed on the package. So don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you.